Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change language in Subway Surfer game. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to change the language on your Subway Surfer game, then the process is quite easy. Simply go ahead and open your Subway Surfer application from the app drawer and make sure that you are inside the main homepage. From the main homepage of Subway Surfer, you'll need to go and tap on the gear button at the top right hand corner. This will open up the settings menu. Scroll down until you see the language option and tap on it. You can select from multitudes of language displayed on the screen. Go ahead and select the language of your choice you'd like to change to and tap on OK in the pop-up. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to see the language of your Subway Surfer game change right away. That is how it can be easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.